Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream in a factory. First, high-quality ingredients like fresh milk, cream, and sugar are precisely measured. These are then thoroughly mixed together in large vats, along with any desired flavorings. Next, the entire mixture undergoes pasteurization, a crucial step where it's heated to a specific temperature, typically around 185 degrees Fahrenheit, to ensure it's safe by eliminating harmful bacteria. Following pasteurization, the mix is homogenized. This process forces the mixture through a small opening under high pressure, breaking down fat globules into tiny particles. This creates a consistently smooth and creamy texture. After homogenization, the mix is cooled and then aged in tanks for at least 4 hours, and often overnight. This allows the proteins and stabilizers to fully hydrate, further improving the texture and flavor. Now the aged mix moves to the freezer. Here, it's rapidly churned and frozen simultaneously, which prevents large ice crystals from forming. During this stage, air is carefully incorporated into the mixture, increasing its volume by anywhere from 30% to 50%. This air makes the ice cream light and soft. Finally, any solid inclusions, such as chocolate chips, cookie dough, or nuts, are folded in just before the final hardening stage. The freshly churned ice cream, now soft-serve consistency, is quickly moved to a hardening tunnel. Here, it's exposed to extremely cold temperatures, often below -20 degrees Fahrenheit, for several hours to freeze solid. This rapid hardening locks in the texture and prevents further ice crystal growth. Once fully hardened, the ice cream is efficiently packaged into various containers, from pints to large tubs, ready for distribution. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.